Aquaglide's McKenzie 125 is a 1 or 2 person whitewater recreational hybrid kayak. It is 12 feet 2 inches in length, weighs 30 pounds, and has a 600-pound capacity for paddlers and gear. This is a hybrid design meant to be paddled in both whitewater and flat water. The open cockpit design makes for easy entry and exit. The rocker profile is flat in the center for added stability on the river and for better tracking on flat water. The kicker bow has high rocker to help blast over waves and to keep the nose from burying. The stern has high rocker for increased maneuverability and to help the bow from purling. The Evo beam floor has a raised center beam on the underside. This creates a V-hole for added tracking. The V-hole shape also allows the side rails to be released when leaning for easier turning. The 13-inch tubes are oversized in diameter for increased stability. Commercial-grade Duratex fabric is Aquaglide's lightest, stiffest, and most durable material. Its welded and airtight tubes are single layer without the need for bladders. The Duratex floor is built with Evo beam construction for maximum durability and performance. Heavy-duty nose cone on the bow for durability. Comfortable bow handle for carrying. 4 large mesh self-bailing drains. This self-bailing system is designed to optimize the performance in both whitewater and flat water. They're strategically located to quickly drain the kayak in whitewater. However, when paddling flat water, they allow less water into the cockpit compared to the full-length drain systems. This makes for a quieter, drier, and more efficient glide. It comes with 2 core seats. It can be set up for solo or tandem paddling. It also features Aquaglide's FaceTime seating option. The bow seat can be installed facing the stern paddler. Great for keeping the kids engaged in conversation. It's also perfect when tandem fishing or doing an on-water picnic. The core seat has a thick padded seat cushion. The breathable and adjustable high backrest offers support and comfort. The seat bottom has a 6-point attachment system. This securely anchors the seat in place when paddling or if the boat flips. The seat uses quick-release buckles for easy installation and removal. There are stainless steel D-rings for attaching the seats to the tubes. The seats have 2 D-rings on the back for attaching a throw bag or other gear. 2 comfortable side handles for solo carrying. There are 22 webbing loops along the floor for attaching the seat, thigh straps, and to secure gear. The floor features a pressure relief valve to protect it from overinflation. There are 3 easy access Halkey-Roberts style valves for inflating the tubes and floor. The correct PSI is listed next to each valve. It takes about 10 minutes to inflate with a hand pump. 12-volt electric low-pressure pump is recommended to inflate for quickness and ease. Then a quick top-off to proper pressure with a hand pump. Pumps are not included and are sold separately. Comfortable rear handle for carrying. For increased tracking, it comes with a touring fin. The fin is made from a flexible vinyl for increased durability. It attaches to a US fin box in the stern. This fin box is a proven universal system used on most surfboards and paddleboards around the world. If you lose a fin, you can easily find a replacement at any board shop. It also allows you to purchase shorter fins for shallow water or longer fins for increased tracking. For ease of installation, it comes with a hand screw-in plate system. No tools required to attach. It includes a backpack-style storage bag. The boat and pack easily fits into the trunk of a car, a closet, or in your RV. They can even be checked in as luggage on a flight. The McKenzie 125 is a versatile solo or tandem kayak that can confidently handle whitewater rivers, but also works great in lakes, bays, and for coastal paddling.
The Perception High Life is your one-stop shop for fun on the water. The High Life is an 11-foot kayak with smooth tracking and enough stability to paddle as a stand-up paddleboard. The super low profile is reminiscent of a SUP, but still provides a steady platform for kayaking. Perfect for a day trip, this sit-on-top kayak features a fold-down seating system with a cooler storage area under the seat, a rear tank well for additional storage, and a center cup holder for easy access. Swim decks make exit and re-entry for kids and pets a breeze, and the traction pads on the bow, midship, and stern help you keep your footing while paddling. 2 gear tracks double as carry handles and mounting points for endless accessory options, and the easy-to-install toolless fin provides smooth, straight tracking. The High Life is available in 2 colors, blue and lime.
Live it up and enjoy the ride in Perception's latest lifestyle-inspired recreational kayak, the Joyride. The Joyride series of sit-inside kayaks are designed to be easy to paddle, feature-rich, and flat-out fun. Perfect for enjoying flat or slow-moving waters, the exceptionally stable, straight tracking, and easy turning design gives new paddlers a boat that will grow with them as their skills progress and is equally fun for more experienced paddlers. It's also lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry and easy to store. The spacious sit-in cockpit is easy to get in and out of, and the thick, ventilated, premium padded seat with contoured backrest offers industry-leading adjustability. The heart and soul of the Joyride is the conveniently clever entertainment center dashboard, a hub for staging your electronics and gear right within your reach for an enhanced on-water experience. The dashboard features the patent-pending selfie slot, a totally unique way to stage your smartphone and capture and share your best on-water moments. Also located on the dashboard is the Solo Mount accessory system. With the Perception Solo Mount base, enables easy installation of a wide variety of accessories and mounts to hold phones, tablets, speakers, cameras, fishing rods, fish finders, cup holders, and much more. Top it off with a 2-position water bottle holder and gear trays equipped with quick lash bungee for extra security while out on the water. Gearing up to spend all day on the water is a breeze with the spacious hinged hatch dry storage compartment, allowing you to easily access your stowed items of nearly any shape or size. As with all Perception kayaks, the Joyride was proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA. Available in 2 sizes and a variety of colors, the Joyride is your all-access pass to fun.